Howdy, howdy, bird lovers! 4:30 in the morning in somewhere in Bogota, and I'm about to plant 10,000 trees and native plants in the Páramo ecosystem with Bauen Project. Let's go together! After a bit of waiting and a short trip, we arrived to the place, and under the rain, a group of volunteers, guides, and environmental interpreters were ready for work. We ate the breakfast and divided the group for installing the signage, determining the plots, and setting up the tents. As an important thing for regenerativity is spiritual connection with the territory, we started one of the most important steps on this sowing. Led for two local authorities from the Misak community in Cauca, Lorenzo Muelas and Lorenzo Tumiña blessed the seeds and refreshed the people with their local medicines made with wise plants of the sacred Páramo de las Delicias in Puracé, house of the Andean condor. Today we are bringing life back to the heart of the Páramo de Sumapaz, just an hour from the capital, Bogota. We are gathering at El Prado, a place once touched by cattle and potato crops, but now ready to heal, because that is what regenerativity is about. This was a corporate volunteer event where people of all ages have come together. More than 400 hearts working around a regenerative mission. Because this land has been devastated, we are dividing the area into different zones, respecting the land's carrying capacity and giving every piece of earth the space it needs to recover. Together, we will learn, plant, connect, and leave a living footprint, restoring one of the most magical ecosystems in the world. The Páramo is a tough but magical place. Hiking the mountains, even with the cold, rain, and strong winds, it's full of unique plants and animals. It's also sacred for local communities, and most importantly, it gives us water by capturing and storing it. Protecting the Páramo means protecting life itself, culture, and the water we all need. The goal of this restoration is to bring back its native plants. First and before today, we worked on the soil of the seedlings using efficient microorganisms that help plants grow stronger and faster. We also controlled the aggressive grasses using a process called plateo, so native plants like Calamagrostis, lupinus, and vicia can grow again. Another big part of the plan is to increase the native seed bank, planting a lot of native species to speed up the forest recovery and help connect patches of natural vegetation. And when we plant, we used smart designs, like planting in small groups called nuclei, where plants help each other. Also, we used a special pattern called tribolillos, planting in triangles to help trees grow faster and close the forest canopy. Half the area will be planted this year to improve the soil and create better conditions. We will be back next year to plant 14,000 plants more, and during 3 years we will be monitoring growth, biodiversity, and soil using scientific methods. Planting is an act of care. First, we make sure the hole is ready and just the right size. Then we gently remove the plastic from the plant without pulling on it to protect the roots. We place the plant carefully, keeping the soil level even with the ground. After that, we fill and press the soil so no air pockets are left, helping the roots stay strong. Taking care of nature starts by taking care of ourselves. That's why we will stay hydrated, protecting ourselves from the sun, wearing our amazing hats, wearing comfortable and warm clothes, and by my side, of course, using my trusty rubber boots that were definitely worth it. Also, it's important to walk following the trails to protect the land. The activity has ended and we are heading back to the bus. And I'm so grateful to everyone that made this possible. The results were amazing. The weather was perfect, the birds were singing, and more than 400 persons are now in our Regenera tribe. This is all from now, so please remember to follow us on social media, like, share, and comment in this content, and see you in the next one.